Hello everyone, this is Ricky from RTVIDEOS. Today we are going to be doing a review on the MTH Railking Long Island 060 B6 steam switcher. So here we have the B6 switcher made by MTH. This is a steam locomotive that was used on most railroads, and this is not a mainline service type of locomotive. This is more of a yard switcher. So this was always found in yards and not really found on the main lines because they couldn't pull as many cars as a road engine could. So we're going to go into the details first of this locomotive, then we are going to hear some of the sounds and then run around the layout. Starting off here on the front, we have an operating headlight, and on the bottom we have an operating front protocoupler, which is really great because I could operate this locomotive in forward and reverse without having to worry about which direction I'm in, which I do really like. We have some separately applied handrails and grab irons. Coming onto the side, we have a legible builder's plate. We also have separately applied handrails. This features an all-metal die-cast body. Coming onto the top, we have an operating smoke unit. And we have a nice decorative metal bell and whistle. Moving along into the cab, we have a very nice colorful painted cab. And moving inside the cab, we have two hand-painted crew figures with operating firebox glow and a cab light when the engine is not moving. Onto the tender. We have a real coal load in the tender, and again a very nice paint scheme on the tender. We have some coal coming out of the tender here where the fireman would bring it into the firebox. We have some ladders here on the side, and I really like that they have the metal chains on the tender, which is definitely a great feature. Coming to the back of the tender, we have a operating headlight and operating coupler, and we have some separately applied metal handrails. Alright, I'm now ready to start this baby up. I'm going to be using the extended startup feature on this locomotive because in my opinion I just think it's really cool. So let's give it a listen.
Let's get her steamed. We have a schedule to keep. Go break out that bank and wake our engine up. Make sure you hit those corners.
So we can see that the headlight is on and the smoke unit is now putting out smoke.
You keep missing that front right corner. You having trouble or something?
I've been firing for 23 years and you can sure bet on me hitting the spot. Looks good.
Check on that water level, will you?
I'll swing the spout over.
That'll do it. How about you go oil around and then grease up those side rods?
Looks good. We got plenty of steam. I'm going to blow her down. Clear?
Clear.
That was the extended startup sequence. We are now going to listen to some of these sounds. First up is the whistle. And next is the bell. And here is a simple crew talk sequence.
I'm going to blow her down.
I'm ready to move the engine out, but before I do, I'm going to play the passenger freight announcement sequence. Again, this is a great feature on this engine.
Morning, Matt. Sleep well last night?
Yeah, I slept pretty well last night. Why do you ask?
I see we got brass coming in today.
Yeah, the superintendent's car is coming in on 25. We'll spot his car on the house track. He's leaving tomorrow.
I'm glad you got enough sleep last night. I heard Bob brought it in last time and almost put the thing on the ground.
I'll handle the engine as well as I always do.
That's what I'm afraid of, Matt. Remember you knocked over the conductor's coffee pot last week.
Listen, Barney, don't worry about me. You better focus on keeping that black smoke to a minimum.
We both better watch ourselves or we'll be awarded brownie points and end up on the carpet.
Here comes 25 now. Let's get ready. Go start building a bank, then kill off the turret.
Let's go to the yard office and mark off.
See you tomorrow.
Okay everyone, that pretty much sums it up for this review. If I do have something bad to say, it is that you could see the wire going from the headlight into the locomotive body. Other than that, I can't think of anything bad to say. This is a great locomotive. MTH did a really good job on it. And it's just all around a great locomotive. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget about the RTVIDEOS live stream on December 8th. Thank you so much, and have a great day.